Do you want to create an ebook and you really don't know where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can create an ebook for your business. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please join our growing family by subscribing, and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are down in the description section. So you want to create an ebook and you really don't know where to start. Well, this video is for two sets of people. The first set of people are people that really don't have the time. They're really busy in their business and can't spare the time to learn a sophisticated or complicated software like Photoshop. On the other hand, you are just starting off and you don't have a budget to hire a professional graphic designer to create an ebook for you. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a beautiful ebook that can be used as a lead magnet for your email list or as a digital product that you just want to sell. If there's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. Okay, so guys, we're back on canva.com, my favorite design website in the world. You guys know that I absolutely love canva.com. So let's just dive into it. So the first thing you need to do is to find the right dimension for your ebook. And from my research, I believe the right dimension, or one of the dimensions you can use, let me not restrict us, one of the dimensions you can use is that of the US letter document. So I already have searched it before, so it's the US letter document. Once you click on it, Canva opens up a page that shows you some templates that you can select from if you don't want to start from scratch. Let's just click on the blank workspace option for the time being, and once that opens up, we will then go ahead to select the template. So this is for the sake of this tutorial, just to save us time and to get you guys learning immediately. So I have found a template that I really liked, and I'll just quickly search for it, and it is this one. So I'll just apply all the pages on the workspace and just close this down. We don't need this anymore. Okay, so we have a template already to then build on. So the first thing I'll do is I need to change the title page to suit my ebook. So let's just say I'm creating an ebook about branding to help people, to give advice or to educate people on how to uplift their brand, how to elevate their brand, how to, dominate their niche. Just an ebook that would support Acehouse Studio. So the first thing I need to do is to change this title, and I can see that this text are grouped, so I need to right click and ungroup them so that I can individually edit them. So let's just move this down a bit. So the next thing we need to do is to change the background to something a bit more suitable. So I'll just go back to my left hand panel and click on photos. So just to call out that Canva has a wealth of images that you can use, and if you subscribe to the Pro plan, everything is available for you to use. You don't need to worry about copyright. It's all included in what you're paying for as part of the Pro plan. However, if you are on the standard plan, then if you choose to use some of the premium images, then you'd have to pay for those images later on. So this is something to consider when designing. Okay, so let's just say the cover page is done. The next thing we need to do is to change the background for this header for the second page. You can edit the text boxes on this page and include the information you want that would be suitable for your ebook. And you can also change the font style and change the style of the font, or you could change the size of the font as well as the color and make it bold. Possibilities are endless. Another thing you can do is to move pages around. So let's just say after this second page we want to have this page, which is page 5. All you need to do is just move it up. If you hover on the up arrow here, then you will see move up, and you just need to click that twice, and there you have it. So page 5 is now page 3. And what you can now do is to again change the images around on this page. So yeah, we've changed the images on this page here. We can change it to something like know your niche, then change the background. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Know your niche. And yeah, guys, you can see all coming together. So yeah, you can move things around and change font styles, you can change colors, you can change the images, you can move pages around, and it's really up to you whether you want to start your design from scratch or you want to start working on a ready-made template to save yourself time. And yeah, guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Yeah, that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave comments down in the comment section how you found this tutorial, and if you have a video request from me. Before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.